What's up everybody, Mercy here from Wilkins Harley-Davidson. We did a big audio install on the Street Glide, 2024 Street Glide. We installed subwoofers and both saddlebags to add quite a bit more sound to this audio system. He already had stage 3 in the front and in the saddlebags, so we added in some subwoofers on both bags and a secondary amp as well. The amp goes in the right side saddlebag and the subwoofers are easily removable. So all you have to do here is unplug and the whole sub comes out, and there's some brackets that go in there to cover up the holes there so that water doesn't get in the bag. This would be about 3.5 hours or so to install all the harnesses, cut the bags, things like that. You're looking at right around 3.5 to 4 hours. This is just plug and play, so we get all the stuff, the harnesses, the subwoofers, the templates, everything right from Harley with all the instructions and everything, and we just get at it, installing everything, cutting the bags like I said. So it's pretty cut and dry as far as fitment goes. So of course, like, this bike has upgraded mufflers on it, so the sound of the bike going down the road is pretty loud. So adding in additional subwoofers just adds quite a lot of volume to your ride going down the road, like interstate riding, things like that, where the sound can get kind of drowning in the mufflers. So this kind of adds in a little bit more flair to the ride.